Fitting a GSAB standard cable distributor with socket. The cabinet socket is dispatched in one package. The associated cable support rail, made of aluminum angle profile, is attached to the outside of the packaging with stretch band. Please check on receipt for completeness. After opening the package, first remove the socket rear panel. Put aside the longer spreading piece for the side walls of the socket. Please do the same with the shorter piece of wood for the front panel and the screws for socket cabinet connection. Now take the side walls and suspend the first taken socket rear panel in one of the side walls. Slide the aluminum cable support rail into the upper square holes on both side walls. Now also the second side wall can be connected to the socket rear panel. The socket is now already standing on its own. Important note: the introduction of the cable support rail in the desired position is no longer possible after stuffing with soil. In the following step, you suspend the lower socket frame at the front and then the upper socket frame into the side walls. Finish the assembly of plastic parts with a side lock slider at the top socket frame. Now insert the long spreading wood piece in the predisposition of the socket side walls. Place the short wood piece in the carrier provided in the socket frame. The wood prevents unwanted flexing of the socket after filling and compressing the soil at the socket. Cabinet assembly. The assembly begins with the placement of the rear bottom rail on the cabinet rear wall and is secured with special screws 7 by 22 mm for Duroplast. All cabinet parts will be assembled with these screws. This screw is ideal because it's designed with special thread layouts for the toughest requirements in the self-tapping screwing into Duroplast. Start the bolting in the cabinet side walls. Now the roof can be put on and screwed. Then insert the front bottom rail. The rail is locked with the included polyester hinge pin with the cabinet side walls. Also insert the hinge pins in the back bottom rail fitted in the beginning. Now the cabinet can already be set on the socket. The slots of the side piece flange allow an adjustment of the cabinet on the socket. The cabinet should be centered to the socket sidewalls. Now take the screw sets with its 2 gusset plates, hex bolts and washer out of the accessory bag located in the socket. Slide the gusset plates in the slots of the socket sidewall. Place the washers on the flange of the cabinet sidewalls. Tighten the hex screws only slightly to allow even a readjustment of the cabinet sidewalls. Pay attention that the front bottom rail is easy to remove and use again. Then all 4 hex screws can be tightened. By attaching the pre-assembled door, the cabinet installation is completed. The door can be hung left or right. The same hinge pins are used as in the bottom rail. Please attach inspection sticker or labels after setting the door stop.